Hello, welcome to Tech Simplified, where we make technology used to be so simple. In today's video, I will break down how AWS Solutions Architecture works, what it is, why it matters, and how you can design scalable, reliable, and cost-effective systems on AWS. Whether you are preparing for certifications or just starting your cloud journey, this will give you a clear picture of how AWS solutions are built. First of all, you need to understand what AWS Solutions Architecture is all about. AWS Solutions Architecture is all about designing cloud systems that are secure, scalable, reliable, and cost efficient. A solutions architect works with businesses to understand their requirements and then uses AWS services to design the right solution. For example, if a startup has issues with downtime, slow performance, or lack of scalability, an AWS Solutions Architect proposes the right combination of services to solve those problems. Now, you need to understand the key services in AWS Solutions. Let's look at some of the core services that appear in almost every AWS architecture. We have Route 53. This is a DNS service that directs user requests to your application. You have Elastic Load Balancer. This distributes traffic across multiple servers to avoid crashes. You have EC2 with auto scaling. These are virtual servers that scale up when demand is high and scale down to save costs. You have RDS. This manages databases like PostgreSQL or MySQL with features like replication and automatic failover. You have S3, which is simple storage service. This is used for backups, static files, and media storage. Then CodePipeline automates deployment with CI/CD for faster zero downtime releases. Elastic Beanstalk simplifies deployment by tying together EC2, RDS, and ELB for you. This is perfect for web apps. Together, these services form the backbone of a highly available and fault-tolerant system. The next step we're going to talk about now is the examples architecture. As you can see in this diagram, here is a sample AWS architecture for growing web app. Users can easily connect through Route 53. Their requests are routed to an elastic load balancer, which distributes traffic across multiple EC2 instances. The EC2 instances run inside auto-scaling groups, so more servers are added automatically during peak demand. The application then connects to an RDS PostgreSQL database with a standby replication in another availability zone for disaster recovery. Backups are stored in S3 buckets, ensuring data durability. New versions of the application are deployed seamlessly using CodePipeline and Elastic Beanstalk, which enables blue-green deployment without downtime. This setup improves performance, prevents downtime, and allows the application to grow with user demand, all while keeping costs flexible. So the next topic on this agenda is cost considerations. Now, you need to understand that one of the key responsibilities of a solutions architect is to balance performance with cost. Some services like EC2 and RDS are built per hour of usage. Others like S3 depend on storage and retrieval. Elastic load balancers and data transfers depend on traffic. The good news is that with auto-scaling and pay-as-you-go pricing, you only pay for what you actually use. And that's pretty much it. A beginner's look at AWS Solutions Architecture from Route 53 to DNS to Elastic Load Balancing, Autoscaling, RDS, and S3. These services together work to build systems that are reliable, scalable, and cost efficient. So that's pretty much it. If you find this really helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more cloud computing tutorials and AWS deep dive. Drop a comment below if you'd like me to cover a real world case study or certification tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.